Word 2007. Then removing the formatting. Suppose we want to remove the formatting, then how we do? Just one more option, clear the formattings. Select that portions like this. So again, which are the for text we change, again the it convert into the originalities. Fine. Now next question is how to insert the special characters. Okay, the special characters we may insert with the help of the some libraries. Some symbols are there. Just go to the insert. Fine. Go to symbols. Symbols are there like the beta. Fine. Like some method pies, like so and so we may use here as an where the document in the where the particular symbols are required in our documentation. Normally it requires when we just write document scientifically, mathematics papers, physics papers like so and so. In that cases, these all the symbols are required. They are the more of symbols are available. So we may select any symbols. Fine. Okay. There are the entire all the symbols set are available. We may create it. Fine. Now next is option is the auto corrections. This is very again important. Suppose normally we know that some mistakes we are doing frequently. Fine. Like example about. Fine. So as you see, these are the feature of the auto correct facility. I know that when I am typing the about, then normally I always use ABBOUT. Fine. But it is a wrong mistakes as per the dictionaries. So when I just press, then it convert into about. How is it? So in that case is we have to go for the office button. Yes, sometimes we may put our own word into the library also. Okay, suppose these are the applied to my myself. But suppose you know that some particular word you always forget. So you may put these all the mistakes word into the particular dictionaries, and so whenever you type the document, then particular word will automatically comes. So how to just set? Just go to the office buttons. Fine. Office button. Word options. Word options, then proofing, autocorrect options. So we may use this particular word here, replace with error word and the actual word. Fine. So these are the this is a good facility about the any documentation. Fine. So there are various options are available. I am not going to discuss about much more functionalities. Fine.
Okay, sir, you have discussing the too much thing. Everything should be discussing the formatting, but also there should be something in a more futures can be also available in this in a word over that. How to be doing this in a manipulations in this in a particularly in this in a tax over that. Also, how to be in a find out this something in the for an example that the 1000 pages of the documents can be available over that, and how we can find out something over that, and how to be in a replacing one word to this another word. These are the facilities can be available in this.
Yes, definitely. It is very again important facility finding replacing. Okay, in the particular document, suppose we want to find out a particular word. How? Just we have to go to find option. Suppose we want to replace something, then go to replace option. We want to combine both options, then find and replace options are available. Let us see practically. Yes. Just go to the ribbon, find the particular text. Suppose example, history. I am searching about history. History word. So you may see that the particular search word is highlighted. histories. Fine. Now we will also use the advanced facility of the find and replace facilities, like we may use wildcard. How we may use the wildcard? So the wildcards are used there. So there are the various wildcards also there, but we will discuss about the question mark. Just select the use wildcards. Fine. Same word, how to use. Question mark. Example. The question mark here. Fine. Next, see, you may see that the what is the meaning of the single question mark? Means suppose we don't know about the single character between the two characters. Fine, a particular word, then we may use the single question mark. So which are the possibilities are there? Suppose the so T and question mark E, that means which are the characters between the T and E, it will display all, like example the here. Fine. But suppose sometimes we know that we don't know about the multiple characters between the two particular characters, then we have to use for the star in that cases. Example, fine. So you may see that. Fine. So T, B and E is search again. Okay. So it will just showing all the words. Fine. All the characters which are between the T and E with the help of the star, the asterisk here, asterisk the wildcards. So these we may use frequently as and when required. So these are very important facilities provided by the Word 2007, and we may use here. Fine. As you may see that here. Fine. We may use the other options here. Exact, find, word match, like so and so. We may replace. Suppose I want to replace. Fine. I want to replace about, instead of the just Akash, with Narendra, example. Narendra, fine. So replace. So you may see Akash will replace with the Narendra Engineering. Fine. So, but the question where the cursor are there, its search will be start onwards. Suppose we want to replace all the Akash, then the cursors must be on the top position of the documents. Then we may apply it like that way. Fine. Replace all, then replace all. Fine. Okay. Now, how to just close the particular files? Just close these files. Do you want to save changes? Yes or no? No, I am saying no. If I want, then you may go for that. Okay. One more option is there, the save options. Fine. So normally the Word support the DOC file, but now the 2007 support the DOCX. What is mean X? DOC, the extension will be the DOCX. X will be extensible markup language, support the XML files. Means the advantage is that when we are opening a file, when we are storing the file, then the 2007 itself store in the compressed mode. Maybe the compressed mode may be difficult for you, but assume that the file will be compressed and stored in the diskette. When we opening, then it automatically the unzip. It like concept zip and unzip. What is the advantage of this? Suppose when we send the one document file to the other with the help of networks, basically. Fine. So via the email. In that case it will be just reduce the network traffic. It will reduce the network traffic, and when we just copied the particular file to our destination, then when we try to open this particular file, then it will be unzip automatically. Fine. So these are again the good advantage about the 2007 features. Fine. So there are the various options are there. Suppose So the docx file is there, docm is there, doct for that is for template, m for the macros. So various version of file we may create here. So these are the advantage of the 2007.
Sir, now we can see that what is the basically we see that the text formatting, how to find out this particular characters, everything we can learn for that. Now we can go over that how to be in a formatting the whole of the page over that. Okay, sometimes you can do this in a formatting in the proper way in the half of the page over that. Something should be in your something we can say, we know that is a page should be in a A4 size, page should be in a legal side. How to be in a formatting over that should be something should be in a long content over that. Then the how to be in a properly maintained for that, and to be in a how to should be in a page formatting, it should be in a done through this in a word over that.
Okay, these again the very important questions. Now when we just type something, everything where in the documents, now we want to take a printout. Ultimately our objective was we want to take the printout, hard copy. So as we know that what we see on the document, same things are printed with the help of the printers. So that is why for page formatting is must required, because we know there are various type of pages are there. Okay, so we have to set there, the alignment is must be set there. So let us see about the page formatting. So it will be better for the understanding point of view. Okay. So we have to go for page layout options. Page layout options. Fine. So first we have to check that whether how to just print our content, the portrait or landscapes. So normally the default is the portraits. Suppose we convert into landscape, then you may see that fine. That again you are seeing the page A4 size. Okay. So it just the content will be printed in the width formats. Fine, it is called landscape. Okay. Now how we see this? So let us go for the print preview options. So we may just see exactly. So when you take a printout, then the content should be printed out in that manner. So this is landscape manner. We want to change, then again if you see the portrait, so content will be again the resize automatically and it will print out. Fine. So we may see with the help of print preview options whether landscape or portraits. One more thing is that we want to set the margin also. So it is very important. Suppose some document we want to just put files, physical files, then obviously left hand side we have to just punch them. So require the more margins. In topmost portion we have to write some comment like that one. So we may set the margin also. Fine. So ready-made things are available. Fine. You may say top. You may customization also. Narrow like top, left, bottom, right, like so and so. Fine. Even we may just custom margins. Top margin, left margins. Fine. Bottom, right, like so and so. Fine. So there are the various way in basically Word 2007. There are various ways. We may use shortcut. We may use the icon. We may use some dialog box. And which method we are convenient to us. Basically, it is again hands-on practices. We may apply it through the particular documents and make the habitual on that way. So next, suppose we want to insert one more page here. So for example, here before the company snapshot, we want to insert one more page. How to just insert? Fine. Just go to the breaks, page breaks. Again, so you may see that the space are available. So next, after one word page, it becomes the next pages. So which are the content we may type here? We may write here something whatever as we require. So the page breaking, so we may just divide the page without disturbing the contents. Fine. So page break option available here. Then creating multiple column layout. This is very again important. So if you are aware about the any newspapers, normally the contents are available in the any newspaper normally column wise. How we see this content in column wise? Normally when it is required, when we publish a research papers, normally in the research paper the contents are available in the column wise. So how we do? Fine. The options are available. Column 1, 2 or 3. So I am just applying the column. So entire contents are available in the 2 columns. Fine. As like newspaper. Suppose we want to just use 3 columns, then again go for 3 columns like so. Example. Fine. So these are the good features of the Word. Let us go for one columns. Fine. Then very important is, suppose in our document there are 20 pages are there. Fine. Now we want to put the common title. It is called heading, and we want to just put some content in the each and every page in the bottom lines. So how we set? So the functionality is called the header and footer options. Header and footer options. How to just go? Just insert and go to header and footers. Yes, header. So various options are available. So for example, this is demo. Now what is the advantage of header and footer? So now if our document contain the 4 pages, fine, this is a demo will available in the each and every pages. See, in the second page, this is demo is automatically written. So all the pages it contain. Similar way, we may work with the footer also. Fine. How to just go for footer? Again insert, go to footers. So footer we may just write. This is a footer. And normally the footer will use to indicate the page numbers. Fine. Normally if the 20 documents are there, when we print out, then it is very difficult to manage the hard copy after the printing, because because which page is previous, which page is next, we could not understood. That is why if it is mandatory, we have to just print page number 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3 like so, and 3 out of 3 example. So if this is a good practice, so any persons can see the content and they may arrange the pages on the physical file also. So how to just do like this one? So there are various options available again. Page numbers, fine. So and where we may write page numbers, the center, left, right, like everything are available. Okay, so options are available. Let us use the X of Y. Fine. But we select the option the top, that is why it come into that way. So page number we may display anywhere.